Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about 14 animals with really strange nose you won't believe are real. We always wonder what was Mother Nature thinking when she decided to make certain animals look weird and sometimes even creepy, especially their nose. In this Animal Shake article, we list some animals on earth with really funny and strange noses. Did you know? To compensate for poor eyesight and hearing ability, some animals like the star-nosed mole, water shrew and rhinoceros have a sense of smell that is highly developed, which also helps them to hunt for food. Mother Nature surely knows how to surprise us with her strange creation on earth, with us human being one of them. When we talk of strange and wild creatures, the animal kingdom definitely tops the list, and it simply gets wider by the day. There exist some animals with really wild and strange nose that we bet you didn't know about at all, speaking of which aquatic animals are not far behind. These range from beginning as tiny as frog to as large as an elephant. Looking at their noses will leave you wondering as to why they are made that way. These creatures use their noses to hunt from prey, attract the opposite sex, eat drinking, yes drinking, or even to fight for their territories. And you thought breathing was all that a nose is used for. Some of them may be creepy looking but are interesting nonetheless. Well, we leave this for you to decide. Without much delay, we bring you a list of some animals with really obvious and freaky noses. Star-nosed moles. These hamster-looking creatures surely top this list. The little animal is usually sighted in eastern Canada and northeastern United States. Its nose is made up of 22 tentacles forming a star shape and is also one of the fastest foragers. It almost looks like an animal with no face. It uses its nose to search for worms and insects even at night. You have left us completely dumbstruck and open-mouthed, Mother Nature. Proboscis monkeys. Now this is someone with a big nose in the monkey family, and we mean it. The nose of a proboscis monkey nearly reaches up to 7 inches, which at times hangs down over its mouth and has to be pushed aside to eat food. It is also used to attract the females for mating. Didn't we say it is used for other purposes too? This species is listed as an endangered species on the IUCN Red List. Pinocchio frogs. The Pinocchio frog is a tree frog found in the mountains of Indonesia. It is named so because of the Pinocchio-like nose. It can inflate and enlarge its nose when it is calling out. The tip of its nose points up when it is vocal and down when it is silent. Snub-nosed monkeys. Snub-nosed monkeys. This beautiful golden monkey is wired in cute way. It is allergic to rainfall and sneezes a lot when it rains, making it easy for hunters to hunt them down during wet days. The upturned nose that faces forward gets filled with water, resulting in plethora of sneeze. It is also listed as one of the endangered species. We didn't know, yet its nose is of much use other than breathing. Mandrills. No, this is not a makeup monkey, but one with natural coloration, having a bright red nose with white or blue colored stripes around it. The females are a little dull in color as compared to the males. Pigs. Although a common sight, pigs use their noses to find food like insects, worms and rotten food waste. They have a tremendous sense of smell. This is possible due to large round disc of cartilage of the tips of a snout. Aardvarks. Translated as the earth pig, this nocturnal animal is relative of the elephant and not the pig. It uses its long pig-like snout to sneak out food by swinging it side to side to pick up the scent of termites and ants. Hammerhead shark. This unusual shark has a protrude nose that runs horizontally along its mouth. It includes the shark nostrils that are set farther apart. It does make more than just smelling. This wide nose enables the shark to hold down prey before eating and helps it sense prey with better accuracy than other shark counterparts. This is because the distance between the nostril helps it judge the direction of a smell. Elephants. Ahem, have you ever tried drinking through your nose? No, right? We simply can't. But these huge mammals that we are talking about, they definitely can. When you think of wide nose, how can our loving elephants be ignored? Yes, we are talking about those long trunks that do much more than sniffing. They can breathe, touch, taste, drink, pick up branches and other things, etc. The trunk function as a nose, lip and additional hand too. Elephant seals. Elephant seals with their big nose can be found everywhere around the oceans. However, only the adult males have big nose which allows them to make thundering screaming. It also helps them store water to prevent loss of body fluids during the mating session. When they leave the beaches in search of food and water, ever thought water could be stored in a nose? We told you, it just get wired. Elephant shrews. Another adorable animal, the elephant shrew, is neither an elephant nor a shrew, but is related to both. It usually hunts for food on the ground with its long, active and square-minded nose, which mainly include beetles and spiders. Sawfish, also called the carpenter shark. The sawfish has a long, narrow and flattened nose extension that resemble a saw. It is covered with electrosensitive pores that help detect animals of prey nearby and lets it rummage through sandy or muddy water to catch hold of them. Unicorn fish, probably one of the most unique looking fish on earth. The unicorn fish has a long and pointed nose like a horn protruding forwards of its eyes. It is used to protect themselves from predators. Tapirs. The prehensile snout of the tapir is a soft, long and highly flexible part of its body that can be bent and moved in all directions. In search of food, it can also grab leaves and branches from low-level trees and bushes. So this was our list of animals with unusual nose. Whether you agree or not, God was in a really creative mode when He made them. Which one do you think was the widest? Please feel free to drop in a line or two in the comment section below. Related post, list of animals with opposable thumbs you have to see to believe. We human pride ourselves for possessing some distinct physical features, with the opposable thumb being one of them. But are we the only species with these distinct features? Not really. Facts about Jersey cows you won't believe you didn't know until now. Jersey cows are renowned the world over for the rich milk they produce, along with being relatively low maintenance and docile. Animal Sec present some interesting facts about Jersey cows. Fact about Asian elephant you won't believe you didn't know. Did you know that female Asian elephants do not have tusks and that only some male ones do? Here are some interesting facts about the ancient elephant. So friends, hope you